How's it going, friends? Welcome one more time to this video. Thank you for clicking in. Today is Wednesday, April 21st, and I'm gonna analyze some of the trades that I've been taking with this new indicator from Too Easy, from Super Easy, and in a combination with Simplicity also indicators. Overall, I mean, still getting good results on it. I have made a couple mistakes. Those were my mistakes, and but I'll show you right now. Let me start with one of the trades that I took. It was the gold. Yeah, and I did a screenshot of that one on gold. 30 minutes. Okay. So on gold, let me show you the screenshot when I took the trade. So I took the trade right there. Everything was lining up. You know, we had an arrow, 30 minutes, gold on a sell. It was barely crossing the zero momentum. At this point, I got it kind of low, so I got the trade over here. Not that was later. And then the trade just went against me. But one of the mistakes that I did here, I didn't check the 4-hour time frame to see if it was in agreement with this. If I were to do that, I would avoid this. So that was my mistake. Let me show you. So that trade was taken in this area over here, pretty much. Okay, and you're gonna see clearly what happens. I took that trade somewhere here in this low over here. I thought we were gonna start coming here. But if I check, let's look for that circle on the 4-hour. If I would have checked even the 1 hour right there, if I would have checked the 1 hour, I would have seen that we were in an uptrend with the 1 hour, right? And then the 4-hour, check it out. So that was we're going against the trend pretty much. Where is that circle here? Let me look for it. It's barely there. You can barely see it right there. So I took the trade here. Obviously, that's no good, right? I was going against the 4 hours, so that's one of the mistakes. So I figured that out after I'm testing this indicator still. So it's a lesson learned. Okay, so that's from gold. Another trade that I took, it was this one right here, euro dollar. Now on this one, I did got some profit. I think right in front of the video, I cut it out on Sunday because, well, that was from last week. Yeah, but I closed it on Sunday because anywhere here, down here, because I was thinking that it was gonna do another high, which it did. But I got some profits up on my both of my accounts. In this one, which is my demo live, and I have another account where I have more serious money. Okay, but I closed it early because I was thinking that it was gonna go higher, and it did go higher this week. Okay, so that was a winner. I closed it at 50% winner. I guess I didn't go all the way. So gold, my mistake. Euro dollar, I got some profits, but I was going against the 4-hour also, so that is no good. Here's DJPY trade. That was right there. In the 30 minutes, I bought it here. Okay, this was good. MACD and the momentum were good. We had an arrow there, but it went against us. So that was 416. Let's look why that happened again. 416. Okay, on 416. 416, I'm looking at the date down there. That was, let me see, 416, yeah, right there. But we are on the 4-hour. Okay, check it out. In 30 minutes, 416 was right there, okay? But look in the 4-hour. I bought it going against the 4-hour. Okay, so that was it. I'm glad it happened, so we can learn off of this one. I took the trade here. I bought it here. So this is the importance of looking at the 4-hour, because you don't want to go against this on a 4-hour. Okay. So that was real quick. I just recently got the indicator. I just want to start trying it every around 30 minutes. But okay, so we're gonna start doing more serious testing. Even like that, you know, yeah, I got some profits. Let me show you which one went real good. This GPNCD right here. I got this trade right there. And GPNCD, let me look at that. Boom. So it went down a long way. Looking at 30 minutes. I got that trade around here, and I exit around this area with, I think it was like 70 pips when I exit. So 70 pips on that one. I can show that I took that trade right there. So I took the trade in this area over here, which was this area right here, a little lower, and it went down real good, real good. Okay, now so now the market's pulling back. It'll probably do another move down, but I am done with this trade for the week. So I was in general 50-50. I was not being very careful with some of the trades, but we're in a testing mode of this. So next week and the rest of the week is not taking trades if the 4-hour is not agreeing with the right direction of the trade. Okay, and also I added this indicator that I didn't have last week, this transfer, so we can have an agreement also with that one. And we're gonna keep checking to see what's going on. So let's scan real quick for the markets to see if there's showing any opportunity for in the morning to look for trades. Not right now, but right after London, or like 30 minutes after the opening of London. Okay, market is being pretty choppy this week, and there was big news also. I don't see nothing so far, but we're still gonna wake up early, maybe 15-20 minutes after London, to see if there's an opportunity in the markets. I don't think there's nothing. Everything is these arrows in the center, they're no good. I mean, we're looking for arrows like this one right here, not this one's in the center. You're supposed to ignore all this. They're supposed to be in the Zeld or in the buy zone, which are the supply and demand zones, pretty much. This one's right here. Okay, okay, let's look at this one right here. Odd NCD, we're on the 30 minutes. What else do we have? We have an arrow. Okay, let's see if the 4-hour is complying with that, or even the 1-hour or the daily. Yeah, looks good. The daily, we're going up in the daily. There was a big correction with the 4-hour correction. Yeah, it's complying. In the 1-hour looks good. We don't have an arrow, but okay, so that's gonna be one of the. Now, I don't like to enter trades right now because you remember Uncle P teaching us, let's wait 30 minutes to an hour after London, because this can easily go up and then really pull down again in the London Open, like they like to do all the time. So let's put this one on the list. I'll put it right on top, that way I know it's one of the prospects. Okay, CAT JPY. No good. Scanning real quick. This one, it's in the right position. Everything is correct. But let's wait. Let's see how it looks in the morning. Also, it's a good prospect. The only thing I don't like is how choppy it looks, you know. Up and down, up and down, up and down. No good. So we'll see what happens from here to the morning. I mean, this is gonna still be here, but we'll see how that looks. Where are we? Got JPY. No good. Euro Chief. No good. Euro Odd. No good. JPY. No good. Gold. Gold no good yet. We'll see what happens in the morning. No good. GPCHF. I'm on that one already for a couple days. And I'm gonna leave it to see what happens in the morning. I traded this one around here, I believe. And everything was lining up. I had below zero. That was right on the 100 line, but it had red and red. So we'll see what happens with that one in the morning with GPCHF. Euro GBP going up. It's in a good position. We got green. We got barely above the 100. Green long term on transfer. Kind of reddish. We're gonna check this one. I'm gonna put in this prospects also. Look at it as second place. There he goes. All CAD. Nothing there. GP's. Oh, we already checked that one. GP. I think I went back. Okay. Dollar Chief. That one doesn't look too bad. It's in the right position. You already went up. It's doing that pullback. We'll put it as a prospect also for a possibility in the mornings. USD CAD. No, I don't like that. Very choppy. GP odd. Okay, that's a good prospect right there. I like this one. We got in good position. Arrow below 100, below zero line. The MACD below 100 and the momentum. I got red and I got red here. It's probably gonna pull back, so that one's gonna be a good prospect for the morning also. Boom, GP odd, NCD USD, USD JPY. Okay, that one has possibilities. We'll see how it looks in the morning after London. Then GP USD, we saw that one. That one looks good also. It have 30-minute arrow. Euro USD. That one looks good too. We'll see how it looks in the morning. And odd USD. Did we check that one already? I don't like that one too much. Okay. So those are going to be our list for the morning. We're going to check out there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're going to check this in the morning and see how they look. And if we have everything lining up, and then the strength indicator tells us, hey, take it, we are going to take some of those trades. Well, thank you for spending these minutes with me analyzing the markets for tomorrow. And we're still testing this indicator. So we're going to look at all this in the London time, that everything lines up. All the indicators in the right spot after London. And then we're going to go with also the 4-hour agreeing in the right direction. Thank you very much. Subscribe if this is the first time you see this video. I'm using that Too Easy indicator and also Simplicity indicators. If you're interested in get these indicators in this program, is a one-time payment for life, and you get training for life and real good indicators also. Thank you so much. Subscribe, hit that bell notification, and God bless you all.